Welcome back to my channel. Let's get some color on this bad boy. The top has been sanded smooth. The finish that I have right now in the sanding, it's at 400 grit. That is perfect for this paint job. So next is going to be a sealer. Let me show you the sealer I'm going to be using. The sealer I'm going to be using is from Eurochem, and this is black. It's a black sealer. Try to get the sealer as close as possible to the color of the vehicle that you're going to be painting, guys. It'll make your job a lot easier. So let's just begin. Start applying that sealer. And the gun I'm going to be using, it's going to be the Welcome Carbonio 360 Light with a 1.3 tip. All right. So let's just get started and apply the sealer. Alright, there you go. All you need is one coat of sealer and it covers. Now, you may be asking, why am I doing it in parts? How come I don't paint the whole car together? Two things, guys. One, this roof is extremely long. That's one of the reasons. And two, when you have a solid color, you can paint it in pieces. The only colors that you might not be able to paint it in pieces is like pearls, candies, and even metallics. Metallics, you can also paint them in pieces. I am going to be removing the doors. I am going to be removing the fenders. So if this is ready, why not paint it already? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just painting it one at a time, and by the time you know it, you'll have the whole car painted. It's a lot easier, comes a lot cleaner. So that's one of the reasons. That's the reason I'm doing it like this. It works better for me. So now all I'm doing, I'm just gonna wait for about 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, clean it with a tack rag, real nice and clean, before I can start applying the actual paint. So it's gonna be a jet black. Let me show you the brand I'm gonna be using. The paint I'm gonna be using, it's High Jetness Black, which is jet black. It's just pure black. And this is the reducer I'm going to be using. It's a slow reducer. It's from the company High Q. Like I mentioned in the previous cars that I painted with this company, guys, with this paint, it covers in 2 coats, maybe 1 coat, but my measure is always put 3 coats, so that's what I'm gonna do. But real good company. All the information to that company, it's in the description below. All the information to the materials that I'm using, it's in the description below. This is the color, guys, and it's mixed 1-to-1. So in 1 gallon, you're gonna have 2 gallons of paint here. And I did buy 2 gallons of this color for this car. So I actually have 4 gallons of paint, which is not gonna be applied all the 4 gallons because we don't need that much, but it's better to have more than not have it. Also, if you're gonna paint it in parts, it's best for you to buy extra paint because it takes a little bit more paint when you paint it in parts. So just make sure you buy extra paint. You got some left over, well, that's good for you. All right. And this is why you need to use tack rag. That would have stayed underneath the paint and it could have caused delamination of the paint. So I use a tack rag in every base. I shoot 1 color. I shoot the color, I tack rag it after it dries, shoot the other one, and I use it on all 3 applications of the paint. On the clear, you do not use a tack rag, guys. There you go, 3 coats. It covered in 2, but I'm used to applying 3 coats, so 3 coats it is. Now let's let for it to dry for about 20 minutes. Come back, start applying that clear coat. Let me show you the clear I'm going to be applying. This is the clear I'm going to be using. It's from Eurochem. It's the Glamour Clear, the UC 210 with standard activator, the UA 41. It's about 90 degrees in here, so the medium reducer will do. The gun I'm going to be using is my Welcome Carbonio 360 Light. This is the Motivated Painters edition, and it has a 1.2 tip with a MP air cap. Real nice gun for clear, guys. Highly recommend them. I'll leave all the description. I'll leave all the information in the description below to the Motivated Painters website and also to his YouTube channel. Motivated Painters has a YouTube channel. Real nice guy. Real nice information that he gives out. So follow him. Let's just wait those 20 minutes. Start spraying. There it is. 4 coats of clear. Now it does have some dirt nibs here and there, but that's where the buffing or the float coating comes into play, which on this car I am gonna float coat it. That's the reason I applied 4 coats of clear. I'm gonna sand it down again, apply either 1 or 2 more coats of clear, and it should be nice, straight, smooth. Alright, and this is it. This will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. This 62 Impala is getting its paint. So let's just get to it. Wait for it to dry so I can come back and float coat it. But this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. I am going to show you how to float coat on coming up soon. So stay tuned. Alright, subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Also hit that like button, and if you want to help the channel, I got some links on the description below. Help out the channel so we can continue to make more videos, guys. Alright, thank you, and like always, God bless.